shule zingine wanapewa capitation 6,000, 20,000 na wako na watoto chungu nzima. I think it is high time that our Ministry of Education put this issue of capitation in order.
Because it's going to ensure that the capitation we get in schools reflects actually what we need in our schools. It's going to capture accurately the needs of our schools. It's going to capture accurately the number of learners. And it's going to integrate the entire education system.
Learners do come from vulnerable families. Some parents have not even gotten ID cards. Very many are orphans. Quite a number are street children. We have 147 street children. They even don't know where their parents went. We assist them. So such children to be enemies under parental